Hey YouTube, it's YouTube here. Today I am unboxing a Hoover Powerscrub Deluxe. Now this is not sponsored. I bought this myself. I decided to go back to Hoover because we had previously had a Hoover and it lasted for more than a decade with heavy use. And the one in between, which I will not name the brand, didn't last for anything. So back to Hoover we go. This one has it forces hot air through, so it helps it dry. It has wash or rinse mode. It has auto mix, and it has two separate containers, one for clean and one for dirty water. So I'm gonna get this rolling. I might even do either in this video or a separate video of how good it works. Okay, I'm back. Open this baby up. If this lasts anything like that, if this lasts for half what that last one lasted, last Hoover we had, then this is going to be a great buy. Because our last one lasted a very, very long time with a very lot of use. Of course, it comes with this, and our last one came with something like this. I don't think it's the same kind, but it works really good. All right. This is one of the heads that come with it. So, you can use the hose on the side of it. Of course, your owner's manual, which is we will be reading through because I want this thing to last as long as it can. There we go. Here's, oops. See, little wash, rinse. Cool. Okay. We'll take out some of this small stuff so we don't. Okay, because it does have to be put together. We'll some do. Here's the arm on it. Comes a nice little case. It's got the tubing in it. For if you want to use it separately. And then it's got a couple more attachments in here. Oh, it can be hung, which is great because that's usually what I do in a broom closet. Now, I'm going to zoom this out, take out this big part. Okay. Come here. Try to make it a little mess as possible because I don't feel like cleaning everything up. Oops. There we go. Right, I'm going to shut this off for just a couple minutes. I'm going to read the directions to make sure I do everything right. And then I'll be back. Okay, I took a peek through this and the directions, which you should always. This goes on top of here. And now, two screws, Phillips screws, to put this into the back. I know I don't always read the directions or I miss stuff when I read them. I'm not going to lie about that. I always have and I always will. I'm sure. Right there's the hole for it. Oops. So we just, whoops, come on. There we go. One partially in and then the other partially in, then we'll tighten them up. Okay. Tighten in there. There we go. Okay. Now we got that. Make sure I do everything right, because I'm trying to do it right by the book, especially since I have this on a video. Even though some things, like the bread maker, I did miss what that one thing was for. Okay, that says, put this on. That lines up right. Come on. Right there. And then this. Come on. Let me take my glasses off. check the make sure I'm doing it right. Yeah, I see what I'm doing right. Sets in. Just like that. Okay. It pushes in quite hard. Okay, well that makes sense then. And I said check it, make sure it doesn't move around a lot, which it doesn't. And then take care of all your, you know, the little extras, which I already did. But I'll go through that real quick and show you what comes with it real quick. So videos like this do make buying these things easier to decide. Well, I already showed you this. Okay. And then inside of here. Whoop. Okay. There's this. And come here. There we go. And then, oops, the hose. Okay, and that goes in. I don't know if you can see it. Right here. So I'll be back in just a couple minutes. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little yellow spot right there. Sophia threw up, and within the last month, both of our spot cleaner and our big one died. So I don't know if you can see it. I got a flashlight on it, but I tried to clean it up as much as I can, but finally this came in so I can get it cleaned up. So that's where I'm gonna see how good this thing works or not. Okay, I already have I put hot water in it because it doesn't need the water. Then you just take your cap and there we go. Okay. There we go. I knew it would happen because I'm recording. And this is for your solution. And since they gave us some solution, I already showed you, I'm just going to put that in there. And if this is anything like the one I had, I can't even tell you how long ago, this stuff is going to be great. See, it is closed. Oh. Brand new. Just one. There we go. Okay. Now I'm just gonna, I put this whole thing in there, I think. There's a fill line right here. So I'm gonna get that full. Yep. Plenty of room for more if need to be. Okay. Put that away to recycle it, of course. Let's see. Beautiful. And then all you do, as well, just like I showed you the other way, you just set it in there. There we go. Make sure it's in there tight. Alright, I'm gonna make sure this is on wash. And I'm gonna put the camera so it can look right on that spot, and I'll be right back. Okay, I have it. This is sitting right where that stain is. Now I have it on wash. Right, and back here, this is. I'll make sure you can see it. Yep, you can. Okay. Right here's the release. Right there's the button. Now, right there is the water coming out. The trigger. Right here, my hand. The trigger. It shouldn't be too bad because it was done like maybe a month ago, but even though it wasn't working, the one we had at the time wasn't working the best. So I'm hoping it won't be really nasty, but it probably will be being all the traffic during holidays. It actually might even have been a month and a half, 2 months ago, now to think about it. Alright. Now, I'm sure you can see it. I'm gonna shut it off, and literally I'm gonna let this sit for just a couple minutes. Okay, I let this sit just a couple minutes, and now I'm gonna turn it back on, and I'm gonna rinse. Here, take a flashlight. See how clean it is, and then see how dry it is. And I'm looking upside down, so I think it was right about there. I don't think I see any. Nice. And actually, I'll try to. Where's the? There we go. I just put my hand in it. No water droplets. It's actually very dry. So I do like this. Hopefully this, will help if you have pets, high traffic, carpeting in general, to help you decide whether to get one of these or not. Everybody, please like, subscribe, and share. Take it easy. Real quick, one thing I did forget to show you. Take the dirty water off. All you got to do is a little clip right there, and it picks right up. And you got a spout and a spot to take it right apart so you can clean the inside. So this time, it is Toodles.